saying, I'm going to be pranking my brother today, and he thinks I'm going to prank swing, but I actually am going to play the sneeze prank on him. So when I make him sit down, like everyone knows how to sit down, right? I don't know any person that doesn't know how to sit down. But anyways, he doesn't know. He doesn't know that I'm gonna do this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my cat's spray bottle and I'm going to chew. And he is going to be like the most grossest. Like he's gonna be like, and I'm going to be like, oh yeah, sorry, yeah.
Elena, are you in there? Elena?
I'm going to the bathroom. But the question is, where is the spray bottle? Okay, so we're gonna have to actually use this. I'm gonna use this. Okay. But first, let me go to the bathroom. Please hold.
Elena, are you done?
Almost. Alright guys, I'm back. Don't mind all that, I just said. Alright, I'm gonna make him sit down. And I'm gonna say, oh, I'm shooting a video. So let's get to it.
Elena, what are you doing?
Elena.
Can you sit down?
What?
Can you sit down? Come on, sit down.
Wait.
I'm just like shooting a video, having fun.
Without your...
Okay, I need you to sit down, and I'm going to be right back. Just sit here for wait for 30 seconds. Give me a second. Okay, Austin, I need you to sit down. Why? Just sit down. So go sit down on the blue chair, please.
Daddy's listening to music up there.
Mom, say hi. Hi. Okay.
Hi.
Just don't face me, okay? Just don't. Just play the churches.
What are you doing?
Okay, so turn around.
You better not be doing anything weird.
I'm not, I promise. Okay, so I am gonna be asking you a bunch of questions, and if you get it wrong, I'm gonna spray this on you.
Oh wait, are you doing a YouTube video?
Say hi. Hi!
Oh, you're doing a YouTube video.
Yeah. Doy. Anyways, let's get to it. First question.
Can you be the president?
Yeah, sure.
Yay.
Wait 1 second. Ow! And that's how you pull a prank. Bye, guys.